Hello all, and welcome to Tech Corner. My name is Alex, and today I'm going to walk you through how to go about backing up your PC to OneDrive. So a few things to note before we get started. By default, if you have a Microsoft account, you get 5 gigs of cloud storage for free. After that, you will have to pay for storage. If you pretty much are just backing up documents, 5 gigs should for the most part be adequate enough storage for you to be able to back that up. But if you're planning to back up photos and music, I do recommend probably getting the M365 subscription. The nice thing is you get the whole Office suite plus a 1 terabyte of storage for OneDrive for cloud storage. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do is, so for the most part, you should have OneDrive already installed on your computer. All you have to do is type in OneDrive and then just click on OneDrive. It's going to open it up and you'll come up to a screen like this. If you don't see a screen like this, what you can always do is right click on the little cloud icon down here. If you don't see that, you can just click the up arrow. You'll see the little cloud icon here after selecting OneDrive. And what we're going to do is we're going to right click on this and we're going to go to settings. And go to settings, there we go. So from here, at the very top, you'll see a thing that says sync and backup. This is, you're going to want to go ahead and click on that. And then you're going to see an option that says backup important PC folders on OneDrive. So we're going to go ahead and click manage backup. So from here, you can pick what folders you want to have backed up. So you can say, okay, well, I want my documents backed up, I want my pictures backed up, desktop, music, and videos. And then if you hit save changes, it's going to go ahead and start backing that up. And anything you have in your OneDrive on your other computers will come over here as well. Skip, okay. So you can hit view progress, you can see how far it is. Now, one thing to note is if for some odd reason, let's say you have a small hard drive or you don't have a lot of storage on your computer, you can always hit advanced settings and you can choose to free up disk space. So what that's going to do is anything that you have locally, if you, for example, you can right click on a file and say make available offline. This basically indicates that when you have no internet connection, you can still access that file. Otherwise, if you don't do that and you don't have an internet connection, you're not going to be able to get to these files. So that's one thing to know. If you want to free up space, it's going to basically upload everything in the cloud, and then as you need it, it will automatically download as long as you have an internet connection. But if there are specific files you want to have downloaded to your OneDrive, I can show you how to go about doing that as well. So let's say I want to have my desktop always show up on my computer no matter what. If I right click on this, there's an option that says always keep on this device, which means it's going to store it locally on your device and it's just going to sync back and forth whenever changes are made. The other benefit of having OneDrive is if you have multiple computers, it's really nice because it will allow you to sync those files between all your computers very seamlessly without having to do any effort done on your part. So this is basically how you can go about backing up your computer to OneDrive. It's really great. If you're interested in learning how to back up your photos from your iPhone or iOS device, I do have a video up here you can click on that will walk you through how to do that. And if you're curious on where those photos are actually stored, they're basically stored under pictures and they're going to be under camera roll. And then you're going to see it by year. And then once you click on year, you'll see it. They'll basically do it month by month, basically sorted by that. So that's also another way to back up your photos on your iOS device if you have a PC and not like an actual Mac computer. So if you enjoyed this video, feel free to throw a thumbs up. If you're interested in further content from this channel, feel free to support it by subscribing to this channel and click that bell notification to receive alerts when new videos are posted. Thank you so much for watching.